Hello there, welcome to hash 8. More of the same. More of the same. Let's load it up. Okay. We've got more of the same going on. And let's get back to it. Let's make sure we're on the right one. Right, yeah, we're on the right one. Okay. So carry on from where we left off. We've got more of the same going on. We've got audio tests going on. And let's get back to it. Yeah, we're okay. Alright then. So let's get on with it. Okay. Right. Okay, so yesterday I was finishing up on this area here. All this area here. And we've got it function. Let's just go through again. Go back into simulation. So we can give it a pulse here. Or here, and the red traffic light. I mean, it's not red, but will come on. Now, if one of them's on and we give it a error mode, it will apply a. Oh, is it waiting for both? Yeah, it's waiting for both to be on. Because we're on AND gate there. Right. Okay. Yeah, let's put both on. So 3 seconds, 2 flashes. Waits 3 seconds, 2 flashes. Waits another 3 seconds, 2 flashes. Keeps on going until either the mode is switched off, which you just get a static light, or one of the conditions changes. And the only way it'll change is if one of the other sequences is activated. Right, okay. Right, okay, so now we've got to find a way of integrating that into the traffic light system. Now, is this part of this? Do we keep that as part of that? Probably. We either keep that separate and make it part. So our red traffic lights from here, these two, signals need to come down to there, and they need to feed out through. So that will be easy because that's on an OR gate. Now, what about this one? That's so easy. And that's connected to there and also connected. That's not too bad actually. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll have an output there. So right, I'm gonna call this one. No, it's the same as the FLT traffic light. To copy. Okay, and this one's gonna be head traffic light. Copy. Okay. Right, so that's that. So we could self-contain this a bit better. That's the output, that's the input, right? So let's put a display. So it's FLT traffic light input. Okay, and this one is head traffic light input. Okay, let's change this to FLT traffic light output. And this one, head output. Okay, so we've got our output. Now this one needs to be called Actually, we can't actually join that, can we? I can't join that output to there. That's a button. So we need another one like this. Alright, so we need to, alter slightly. We need an OR gate. So that's so we can press it. Yeah, I can't attach something to that, can I? No. So we need an OR gate. Do we need an OR gate? Yeah. Let's put an OR gate on it for a start. So either I can press it from here to trigger it, to test it. Although we don't need it, but we need an input. Let's find out where that goes. That goes straight to there and straight to there. So that should be easy to. We can do that now. Oh, can't do that now because it's already got the signal on it. So we're going to do that to there and that to there. Okay. Keep this small if we can. Right, so we've got to juggle that, and that'll have to go to the second one. That'll go to there, and that's our input from our FLT traffic light in. Right, okay, so we've got to tie this up now. How do we tie that up? Right, we can bring these down. Let's bring these down. Let's bring them down a bit. Oh, it won't go down. Right. So we need to alter this. Let's just alter that again. So copy that. Need another one down here. So we need to release that one. And that's on an AND gate, isn't it? That's why I needed both on. Okay, I've got you. So we go up to there to input, and this yeah, that was going to there, so we need to also go. So we've got an AND gate to do that, but either one would have done there. That's why we need two on. So if we want to flash with one on, I think we like that. We like the fact that, yeah, we'll leave that as it is. Okay. More on more of the same. Okay. Right. Yes, we like that feature, so let's keep that there. Let's get rid of this one and put that output into there. Okay. That's going to go into that one. Okay. Right, this one could be. Let's make it better. Let's make it tighter. A tighter fit. Okay. Try to compress this a little bit. So we'll have a test input there. Okay, we need to get this down here. Although, it could go up there, couldn't it? Alright, so, Yeah, it's just a matter of manipulation. Let's just manipulate it. Less talking, more work. Less drowning. Less drowning and more work. Right. Let's tie this up a bit. Okay. So we need to get bunch this down a bit. So, alright, so let's put that up a bit. Let's get this down a bit. That can stay down. Yeah, I can just about live there, that can. Let's get this bunched over a bit. Okay, that's okay. Right. Getting somewhere. Getting somewhere slowly. That needs to come back over to here. This needs to get to there. That needs to come down. Can it go any further? Yeah, it could do. Okay, we can do that. Trying to bunch it up. Trying to bunch it up to get real estate back. Alright, let's carry on trying to get real estate back. Okay. Right, so that's weird, isn't it? Okay. Let's, so we can come down a bit with that. Yeah, a bit more. Okay, so we've got this line going through to there. We could probably bring that to there. Let's come back another one. Oops, what happened here? Alright. Right, something. No, it's not quite right there, is it? So let's go across a bit. Let's bring that. Let's bring this one like that. That's okay. So we need to move that over a bit. So why has that gone up? Yeah, we can bring that down to there. Alright, so we've got that. We have to leave that there. That's it there. That looks a bit better like that. Right. So we've got that there. Okay. We need to bring the sensor. This is our output. So we've got our inputs and our output. Okay. Now our output, we can, yeah, go where we want to go. Cat's joined me. Okay. Right, so I have to juggle this around. It's a pity that's like that, isn't it? Pity that's like that, so we need to sort this bit out now. I want the same again here. That's in our way. Is there any way to get rid of that? I could probably take it through to there, still in our way. To there, maybe. That's horrible, isn't it? Is that joined to that? It is, isn't it? So why can't that be? Oh, it can't be. Can't drag that to there. We can only drag it to there. Alright. So we're gonna have to That can come round to there, couldn't it? Okay, so that could come to there. And this one could come to there. Or it could even come to there. And that one could go to there. We've got something going on here. Alright, so we've got something happening here. It goes straight through to there. Right. Okay, so we've got a bit of space here. So that could just come to there. That one is in the way a little bit. What about if we... there's no way we can go up and round. What about if we pull that to there? Hello. Cat's here. See if we can see the cat already. Hello. Hello, welcome to Just Have a Think. Yeah. Cat's love. It's okay, you can sit on my £400 keyboard. It's fine, perfectly fine. You sit on it if you like the keys. Right. So let's we seem to be cluttered here. Does it matter? I don't know. Alright, oh, we've got another one there. Let's put that there. Right, okay, so we can juggle this around a bit. Right, so what we've got this wire here now. Can that be took over to there? Can be, but it looks a bit weird. It should be able to go right to that. Yeah. No. No, it won't let me go for some reason. Why won't it let me go? So it let me go to there, but it won't let me shrink that down to there. So how's that one doing it? Don't get it. Phone's going. Hold on a second. Right, I'm back, and the cat phone went, and the cat decided to walk over my computer where the power button is, just to switch me off in mid-flow. There you are, hiding there, aren't you? That damn cat. Shouldn't say that. People love cats. Anyway, carry on. So it was the office. They can't get their emails. Emails keep disappearing. They come in and they disappear. It was strange. Very strange. Right, so we're stuck again with this bit. We can't put this anywhere. Okay, so where are we going to put it? There is nowhere to put it. So let's bring it over. We're stuck. Real estate. Is that in the way there? It's not in the way there, is it, really? We know it doesn't go to there. Actually, that can be... No, it can't be pushed up. Oh, I can't push that up. No, let you go that way. Even though there's a connection there, it wants to go to there. Anyway, weird. Right, so we've got that. Let's bunch this over. Right, so we've got that, and we've got that going up there. We can bring that into there. Well, that can sit like that, can't it? Yeah. Okay. Right, so we still haven't got much space here. Unless we bring it all out here. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's how I need. I need a biscuit. I need a biscuit because I'm hungry. Hungry. Okay, I'll juggle it the same as that. Let's try and juggle it the same as that. Right. So let's put that one down here. Let's put the in down here. The or down here. Oh, it's not coming. Oh, the or down here. Yeah, no. Okay. Right, we're in right mess of it now. Right, we're making a right all half of it. It's not good at all, is it? Right, so that's the problem. I want to route these somewhere else. It won't let you. Why have they not made the editor better? I should have made the editor better by now. They've had long enough. Right, so we've got a mess going on here. Right, so we've got a mess. So we'll have that there. We'll have our input there. We'll have our OR gate there. We'll have our other OR gate there. And we'll have our output just here. Okay. We'll stick that there. Oh, we've got the wrong way around, haven't we? Yeah. Got the wrong OR gate in the wrong place. That's better. Okay. Right, what's that like? Let's move it over. Okay, so we've got something like there. Yeah, we've got something like. We can go a bit further. Like that. Excuse me. Right. Okay. Okay, we can afford to have these sticking out a bit. Yeah, we can afford to have that sticking out a bit like that. We can do that. Okay, we've got that there. Right, so what's the difference here? That's weird. What we're missing here? Missing something. So we've got that there. We're coming out of there. We're coming out of there. Going into there. Okay, something wrong here, isn't there? Is there something wrong? Can't tell at the minute. So, okay, that's going all the way back to there. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so we've got that one. Yeah, that looks good. So we can push that over a bit like that. Okay. So we've got this wire that's doing us a bit of mischief. That could go up and round by the looks of it. Apart from this set here. That's a different one. Okay, so maybe that can go up and around like that. Oh, that one can go up there, and that one can come down here. And that one can go like that. And maybe this one can go the same. Yeah. Okay, we've got two lots going on now. What? Okay. Right, so we've got that going on there. Can that go up a touch? Yeah, so this can come back a touch. Okay, so that means that can come back. That can come back, so can that. That can come back. That can come back. Alright. That could come to there. Right. Okay. Cat's got bored and gone. Oh, my eyes are going cloudy. Why? Okay. Can that go down? Sort of. Yeah, that can go down like that. No, it's gone funny then. Okay, so that means that can come up. Right. So we've got our FLT output there. That could stay there. These can go over a bit. Okay. So that can come down a bit. That can come over a bit. So can that. That can come to there. See, there's no way to move that to up there. Oh, hang on. Yes, there is. Okay. So got it nice and contained there. So we've got our in control and our outputs. Error control. That needs to be on a separate error. We've got the ability now, no room for this. What we need to do is delete that off there, put that into there. Alright. Right. Okay, so we've got it grouped up a bit. This one's flapping around in the breeze. Can that be brought down? Okay, so that's wherever it is. Okay, we got some stuff going right across here, which is not nice. I can't see what I can do with it. Anyway, it's what it is. Yeah. That one, I'm limited to how I can route this. I could probably put that down here again. Right, and maybe that one again. And free up a bit of space here. Okay, and that could probably go to there, like that. That one, it's just independent thing there. That should be able to come over to this, but it won't. It won't go around the corner. Okay. So that one we can't really get rid of. But we can bring this over here. We can bring that there. Which means we can bring, that can be brought into there. Okay, so we've got this rogue stuff going on here. Alright, so these are the inputs. It'd be nice if they was over here. Wouldn't it be nice if they were over here? Alright, so we need another OR gate on here. We need to take that off there. We need to put the OR gate in here. Need to put our input up there. Alright. So we've got our symbols. Actually, these can be brought down. That can be brought right down to here. That can be just put there like that. So that's our error mode. I'll just say out of sequence. Out of sequence. Okay. We're out of sequence. Now we could do with bringing this all the way around here. Let's try it. Okay. So we're there. Okay, so we're out of sequence. I need to bring that down, really. If I do that, it's going to upset that cart. Right. It's a horrible editing program. You're fighting against the program, really. I keep saying that every time I do a stream. I keep repeating myself, don't I? Is it to be a way of adding a zone, adding a wire or a zone? Type of wiring, text, clear. Edit. Find, no. Display the status bar. Oh, that's good. Give me a bit more space. I don't need the status bar. Comments. Display the grid spacing. 12 pixels, 24 pixels. Yeah, so we're on zoom 100%. Tools, align, distribute, order, renumber the links, wiring mode, text wiring, type of wiring, text wiring, draw line, rectangle, ellipse, border width, color, shape. So draw a line. Okay, what's that for then? So you can draw a line. Maybe you want to draw a box. So draw a line. Can't even. There's no way to lock it to the axis. There's a really crap program. This is. Yeah, real shit program actually. Shame. It's just a shame. It's a shame it's like that, really. Oh well. I'm eating lots of biscuits. So we'll have it in there. Okay. Right, so we've got it as contained as we're going to get it. I might as well. So we've got our in one. Right, so our other in's down here. Okay, let's push that up to the middle. Alright, let's see if we can move this other in over here. Let's see if we can. Oh, let's go. Why not? Oh, there it is. Okay, so what have we done here? We seem to have done something strange. Okay. Coming across there. Okay, so we could live with that probably. Maybe we could pull that down. Okay. Yeah, so we're okay. Let's pull that across there. Bring that down. Okay, bring that over to there. So we've got output. So we need to juggle these. Okay, so we could probably bring that down to there. Maybe one more to there, which means we can bring this down to there and bring that down to there. Okay. Okay, then we can bring that down to there. So we've got our two in and our out of sequence all lined up. We've got our two outputs. Maybe, no, we can't bring that down any further. Can we bring that out of the way? Possibly. Maybe we can bring that over there. Yeah. Want to line all this up. Line it all up. So we've got a bounding box around it. Like, okay. Right, so we've got a self-contained unit, we've got inputs and outputs. Let's see if it'll work. Test it. So we switch one on, switch another one on, and switch the flash on. Switch the flash off. Switch traffic light off, traffic light on. Okay. Alright, so we need to integrate that now. Okay, so let's give us a bit more real estate. Let's move the whole thing down a bit. Over a bit and down a bit. That'll do. Right, let's see if we can draw around it. So draw a rectangle. Okay. Let's draw a rectangle around this. Oh. Send to back. Can I send it to back? Order. Send to back. Right. Okay. Let's see if it still works. Got a section. We can send it to back. So we switch on and that. We can still do our flashy bit. Okay, that'll do. Right, so we need a note on this. Can we have a note on this? No. Create a macro. What will that do? Let's see if we can, what that'll do. Name of inputs. No, cancel that. So, can I have a label? Draw text. No, it's not. Draw text. What's that? Undo. Draw shape. Undo. Draw shape. Cancel draw shape. What's going on here? Undo, move. What is that? So it's putting, oh, it's drawn some text. A stupid program, isn't it? Eh? Horrible. Horrible program. Right, so I want some text, but it's only too small. Draw text doesn't give you no option to change the text. So, where's the size of the text? Draw text, right. Try again. Here, I'll go. This is. That's done a tiny little bloody stupid thing, mate. Rubbish. What a crap program, man. Horrible. Never mind. I can't even label something up. Stupid program. It's not finished. Very not nice. Oh my god. Anyway. Right, let's change these to traffic lights. Red. Okay. We've got a flashy thing there. Don't know if we need that anymore. I think we can get rid of that now. We can get rid of that now. Okay. Okay, we can do stuff like that. Okay. Right, so I've tidied a little bit up. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Right, we've bunched it up. It'd be nice to put a note on it, but it won't let me put no text on. Right, so we need to attach our inputs to our, we need a flag. Yeah, so we need to determine, I need a boolean now to determine our off state, our error state. So let's try and simulate a non or out of sequence state. So we've got our two flashy things there. Now we've got FLT sequence not active. The only thing that's active is our warm start. So we just, yeah, that's the only thing we've got active, a warm start. Everything else is not active. And we've got default to red traffic lights. And while it's in that mode, it needs to flash really. But let's close. Yeah, so it'd be nice if it was to flash twice, if it was out of sequence. So what we need to do is put it into sequence and see what put it into this sequence. There should always be something on. Let's just put it into, not that one. Right, so it should go into sequence. Yeah. So we've got FLT sequence active. Two FLT sequence active. And that is it. Okay, so FLT sequence is active. Right, so we give it a signal. Comes out of sequence. We've got PED sequence active. Okay. Now, if we barge the sequence, we come out, PED sequence was ended. There's no other sequence started apart from the request flag. Right. So, we've come out of sequence. It's now waiting for a reset. Let's give it a reset. And it's doing its business. It's now in PED sequence. So let's go the other way around. Break out of, yeah, let's give it the PED sequence. Come out of PED sequence. Right, we're FLT sequence. Right, we're in FLT sequence. We've got them two lit. Now, if we come out of PED FLT sequence by barging again, what happens? FLT sequence is lit, but we're not active over the other end, so we've come out. Okay. So to reset that, we shut our gate maybe and activate the button. Comes out of that mode and it's in a PED sequence. So there's a period in between. So we need to do if it's on, if you've got reds at both sides, and do the flashy sequence basically. Yeah, so if we've got if these outputs are on, then it'll do the flashy sequence. Or the problem we got is to at some point all lights will be on. Red ones can be on. So I'll have to do it in sequence with something else. So we're in PED sequence, so we'll break the door. We've come out of PED sequence is ended. Right, PED sequence is ended. And we've still got two red lights. Okay, so that's one state. So I think what we need to do is integrate these outputs with up there. So let's do that. Right, we need to integrate. So the PED output and the FLT, yeah, input and output. So let's do the, I'll tell you what the easiest one is to do is this one. The red traffic lights, it comes out of this OR. So let's delete that. Right, let's come out of this down to, this is where it gets painful, down to the PED input there. Right, so I need to bring that down to there probably. We could bring it to there, that's okay. And we need to put our output. Why won't it let me do that? Oh, no, it is. So that needs to go back up to our red traffic light. Just let me do it. Right, so I need to find a space for it. Just there. Okay. That's so far so good. Okay, let's move that over so we can get the next one. So far so good. Then we need to do the other one. The FLT one. That's a little bit more complicated because it's getting... Is it just getting the one signal? Might be actually. Yeah, it is. Oh no, hang on. No, it's getting that one as well, isn't it? Them two. Right, let's do it. Let's go. Let's delete that one. And delete that one. Let's bring it down to sequence down here. It's got to come into this input. Okay, so we go back up and we've got to bring this down. Problem is we're gonna just be all over the place with it. Let's bring it across to there and down, out the way. Like that, or like that. Yeah. And we need to take the output back up. What a horrible program. That needs to go to there. The indicator. Okay. So we'll go back up to the indicator. Let's go back around the back. Where we got to. Okay, so we're there. Fair enough. And we also need to go up from there to the output as well. To the output. There. So we could just come up with that. Yeah. That's it. Sort of. So that's that. Now we should be able to simulate without that on. We should be able to run a simulation, and we still got our traffic lights on, which we have. So let's close the system. Right, so why is it not starting? It's because we haven't put it on to run. Okay. So we're in that sequence. We press that one. Go to red, so we've got two reds. Got a green, so we've got everything else going on as we should. We come out of sequence. Someone opens a door. So we're out of sequence, so what we do is trigger this out of sequence And what we should get is our 2 flashes in out of sequence. Probably a little bit quick. Probably need to make them slower, because they'll be too quick. Let's alter that a little bit. So we've got various timers, lots of timers. Let's see which one we got. So we got on to 200 milliseconds and off 200 milliseconds. So on time, it's probably not long enough. So 3, let's just increase that. Okay. What's this one? 4 on delay. 30 time, I don't know what that's doing. Need to alter these timers anyway. Right, so they're the same. Anyway, let's see what we've got now. We can test it out just by doing that, really. That's better. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah, it might be good, this. Might be good. Oh dear, me distracted. Right, what's next? Okay, so we need to work out our boolean next to tell the system we're in error mode. We need a flag. So we could put this somewhere here. We've got some space here actually, so let's just push that up there. Push that up there. Right. Let's create a boolean. Right, we've got our boolean. Right, so we're going to call this one. We need another flag on it. Copy. Paste. So we're going to call this one. In fact, I could just go in there, couldn't it? Yeah. Right, so this one's going to be called out of sequence. Out of sequence flag. And we need to bring in various things. So we need to bring in this one over here, this output, into there. Where we're going to put it. Nowhere really to put it. So just put it there. We need this one. Okay. We need can't that go there? Yeah. Can't that go there? Yeah. Right, okay. We need FLT sequence active. Right, I'm not sure if we need that one. Right, so we've got that sequence, PED sequence ended, and that. So we've got two. And both these have to be on red. So, right, okay. So I need an output. I need an output up there now. So, right, I need to bring these outputs somehow up to here. That one needs to come up to there. So we need is that okay there? Probably. Okay, so I need the other one now. The other output. I need this one up here. Oh no, 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 I don't want that. No, no, we don't want the output. We don't want that one. We want the outputs over here. The one that goes down. We want that one over here. And that can pretty much stay there. And we want the output. Right, I've lost where we got it from now. Right, so we want, that's the output, this one, we want to follow that. Right, so we need to follow the input there. Ah, so that's the one, we want that one there. Over to there. So, right, okay, it can pretty much, no. Yeah, it can pretty much stay there, maybe. Or, probably better where it was actually. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Okay, so we need to do a boolean on it now. Right, so that needs to come on whenever it's out of sequence. So, right, both red lights need to be on. Let's just have a look at it. So we want a 0, 0, on. 0, 0, on, there we are. Right, let's see what we got. Right, so we're out of sequence at the minute, which is right. Let's go switch all this stuff on. So we're still out of sequence. We're not out of sequence anymore. We're okay, it's still off. We're in FLT mode, so we force the gate. We come out of sequence, yeah, so I'll be flashing. We're still out of sequence, and we'll activate. Sequence started, it's counting up. We're in PED sequence, so we're no longer flashing. Right, so we're no longer flashing. Traffic light will traverse the system. And it'll come out. We're still out of sequence at the minute, according to that. Right. Right, so we're still out of sequence. So, FLT sequence active, we haven't taken that into account. So we might need another boolean here. We haven't got enough inputs on the boolean. Let's go through the process. I'll tell you what. Yeah, we need to take care of that out of sequence. So we're on that mode. We've barred the gate. We're out of sequence, that's true. Let's just run the sequence without barging the gate. So we'll reset it. Go back to FL pedestrian mode. Okay. We're back in pedestrian mode. We go through the gate. It switches over. We're out of sequence now. We're not actually out of sequence though. So we're in FLT mode. You got the trucks going through and breaking the safeties. That's normal. Not triggering any out of sequence mode. Okay, they finished and get a request to cross the road. That's counting down. Now we're out of sequence. See, we're not taking into account the timer where it counts. Need another flag here. This timer, when it gets activated. So, but that wasn't on at that point. So we're in that mode. We go through. It switches. It's out of the sequence. Might not all together be a bad thing. Tell you what, let's wire the output up to see if it flashes. Maybe it's a nice feature to tell you that it's in progress. Also doubles up as a flash, an error code. So let's come out of here. Let's go over to our input enable for our error mode. Right. Where's it gone? There. It's a little bit. How you doing? That's okay. No, yeah. It'll be alright. Either that or we move it this way a bit. Okay. Yeah. You live with that. Right, let's save and let's do simulation. Right. Okay, so we're flashing 2 flashes every 3 seconds because we're out of sequence because we just initialized it and the gates and stuff aren't in the right position. So that is a point actually. So yeah, we're going to shut the stuff. How are we going to shut the door? So we need to initialize it by overriding the key. Anyway, so the pedestrian gate will be shut. They're on spring closers. The safety loops will be active. So the only thing that will still be a problem is it didn't bother it. So that's all we have to do, and then it will enable the output. Then they'll initialize the door, and that'll shut anyway. Okay. Right. Yeah, because they could be broke. Right. Let's give it a sequence request. So we'll switch it over. So we've got 2 flashy lights. So I'm not sure. Yeah, so I think we need to go over to a test rig now. Maybe. Let's just so let's make sure we haven't lost any functionality. So we over to green. Alright, so over to green, we let the trucks come through. And the lasers are broken. Shut, door shuts, safety loop is left. Safety laser for forklift, shared one, and pedestrian one. Okay, that's normal. Normal operation, so request a crossing. Switches over, it's flash the lights. Okay, so yeah, not sure if that. Anyway, so if we come out of sequence, we're in ped gate, somebody opens a door, come out of sequence, it goes into an error state, flashes the lights. All red traffic lights flash every 3 seconds. So that indicates you've got to go over to so that's the ped gate flashing. So you release the gate is locked again. Because we're not in override mode, we're on strict mode. So the ped gates are locked. Yeah, that's right. We did say when. Yeah, because I forget which way I did it now. Right, let's give it a reset signal. So got still flashing. It's changed over. It's changed over. Okay. We're in that mode, so barrier, we traverse the barrier. It switches back over, it starts flashing. Switches to green. The forklift trucks carry on. If somebody barges a pedestrian gate, goes out sequence, starts flashing at you. It's waiting for a reset or somebody to start the sequence again. So we do that, we start the sequence again, so it's still flashing at you. And It's timing out. And it's switched over. Then we're in traffic light mode, so let's just watch it time out. On the nobody goes through the gate. Just make sure what's going to happen. It should just transfer back without going to flash mode. Have to wait so many more seconds. Sip of tea. Okay, so it's come out of sequence. It's flashing at me and it's about to transfer over. Okay, so at least the flash shows that it's active. Now, if it's a prolonged flash, then you come out of sequence. But if it's a flash during the normal sequence, at least it shows you that you're not waiting in vain for nothing to happen. Wait, because one of the systems is failed or whatever. Right, so let's try it the other way this time. Just make sure our override works. Second. Alright, phone call over. Oh well. Right, okay, so we're testing it. So we're in FLT mode. Oh, we need to test the fallback mode now. So the fallback mode, let's click the fallback mode on. We're in FLT, we've took it into fallback mode. I'm going to leave the door open. It's summer and we don't want the forklift truck, the rapid roll door for the forklift down. We're red hot, we want to keep the forklift open. Just going to check the audio actually. Down, we're red hot, we want to keep the audio. Keep the forklift open. Yeah, I've got audio, right. So we've got fallback mode where it's just a standard pedestrian crossing now. You press, just like in the high street, you press your button, you wait, and it changes, stops the traffic via traffic light and doesn't use the barriers and things. So we've got traffic lights, the output barriers are on. Yeah, we're in FLT mode. We're going to request. What else don't we use? The barriers, we don't care about the barriers. So let's try a sequence. Okay, so we're flashed while we're in sequence. Okay. So we're in, we've got 59 seconds to cross the road. And if we cross it sooner, it still lets you change over, yeah. Okay. So you've still got your locks intact. Let me have a look. Your override. Yeah, we're on locked pedestrian gates on FLT. Give it another blast. So your mag lock, gates mag locks are locked. They're now unlocked. You've got so many seconds to go through. You're on green. You traverse the safe area. And your mag lock is still locked at the minute. Oh, unlocked. Go, leave the safe area, shut the last gate. Oh yeah, it's gone over. Alright, so see one little thing where the safe, oh, we're on this safe area. That was the wrong safe area. We've got two safe areas, so I should have triggered that one. These both trigger this in the pedestrian area at the same time, but that one reaches out towards the rapid roll door. Let's try again. So go through the sequence. I've got to remember to hit that one. So okay, so switched over. We go through the gate, break the safety lasers. We're still unlocked. We shut the one gate, open the last gate, leave the safety area and shut the gate, and it locks and starts to change over. Okay. I'm just thinking now whether instead of it locking straight away, we have a couple of second delay before it actually locks, just in case you go to open the gate and your hand slips and it just shuts on you, because it will lock straight away. You need a little bit of time maybe. I could always add a timer there if needed. A little bit of a delay. You have loads of timers, loads of delays. You're slowing the system right down, but that's okay sometimes. Right, so we're on green. Let's that. Oh, cat's up to no good again. What's he done? Don't know. That's weird. Oh well. Never mind. Old cats get bored. I think they should be made to work for a living, cat. put to work so they don't get bored. They start crawling around. Right. Okay. So now the barriers, let's see what the barriers are doing in this fallback mode. Let's give it a sequence. Now they're opening, they're actually still operating, aren't they? The barriers. Well, the outputs are going on, but there's no activity being detected. Yeah, they're not detecting this area in fallback mode. Yeah, they're not relying on that to switch. Yeah. So a minute I've got a simulation going on with this. I've got a logic one here, which we need to take off when we're not doing a simulation on the screen, or we've got proper barriers, we need to take that off. Right. So I'm ready to go back and upload it to the smart relay or PLC. Now there's one feature I haven't put in yet. That's just timed out, hasn't it? Alright. Once it switched over to forklift, yeah, it timed out here. Nobody went through. That's okay. So this one last input, well, we've got a spare one we're not using, but this IF, we haven't done anything with it yet. Now that's got to reverse the direction. Now that might be quite complicated, but I'm not sure if it's absolutely necessary. It might be a little bit of wiring the outputs. We're going to have to think about the logic. Create a truth table as well. That's what I was going to do, create a truth table. Need to do a truth table just to go through every scenario and check off what happens in those scenarios. That's what I need to do. But this button here to change the priority from FLT to PED priority, whereas when you start it up, so when you start it up, once you've started up, you're going to, when you've shut your gates and things, yeah, you've got your criteria. It'll just sit there and it'll go into FLT priority, which is starts off with the FLT. It stays on FLT all day long as soon as you switch it on. You traverse the system. Oh, wasn't that one? Was it these two? You traverse the system and it still stays. Oh, I pressed the wrong one. I came out of sequence. It went into error. I forced a pedestrian gate while I was in forklift truck mode, so it's gone into error. That's okay. I did it by mistake, but it just proves that that's still functional. So it needs now a reset on the PED request button. And it's going to go through sequence. Yeah, surprisingly working rather well. This is, I can't see problems, but that don't mean to see there's any problems, because you're only simulating it. Got to go to the PLC with all the indicators on, got to look at it. Then we've got to do testing on the actual equipment, which is not going to be easy because you need a full installation with barriers, gates and everything really. So the only way we're going to do the final test is the actual installation. Right. Right, so yeah, we're falling back on that mode again. That's 59 seconds gone, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so it's gone back to that. So the override mode, we need to do a lot of tests. Right, so the priority, I can't get my head around whether we need to have some way of overriding the sequence. priority for forklift PED. So basically want to use this design on 3 different sites. Two of the sites, they want a priority to be pedestrian and not forklift truck. But I don't want to rewrite their program, so I want to just flick a link, just have a link in this spare input, just to switch it over. That's what we're after. No, but I don't know whether we could just rewire the outputs. Just swap over the FLT, depending on the mode, to PED, and PED to FLT. And we'd have to use I still need the barrier to open now. So if we did that, then the barrier open would be more of a, yeah, it gets complicated. I can't think about that. But I'll tell you what, if I do the truth tables, I might be able to find it in the truth tables. So I think I'm going to go back, well, I'm going to either create the truth tables now, create the truth tables now, or write them down roughly while we're doing the test on the PLC. Yeah. Or I could do a design for a truth table and then put all the different scenarios in after. Yeah, not sure. I need to go and test it really so far to see if there's any problems with the system so far. Right. Okay. What we got? Hour and 52. I can't work out from this whether I can just I need to go and do some tests on the actual PLC with the switches, and you know, hang on, let's I'll show you the we'll bring it up, hang on. Right, there's the switch. Play, how can we play it? That's a video. No, I want that one. Open. Yeah, this is a bit of a jerry-rigged test bed we used a few years ago on a job, so these aren't being used. We've got some LED indicators doing all the functions. We've got a row of switches, represent the same switches on the screen. So I can sort of see this, and I can sit and write a truth table. Right. Yeah. Do that and then come back for the rest, I think. So that will end the stream there. I'll end the stream there, and we'll carry on with the stream later. We've got to somehow implement this last. If all goes well on the test so far, I've got to implement this priority changeover, which I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do by flipping a switch there to change a lot of the stuff here, or possibly what I'll do on the truth table, I'll do one for FLT priority, one for PED priority, then I'll temporarily in my head work out that everything's changed over, rewire it and see what happens. I'm not sure what is going to happen, but we'll give it, hopefully it'll be fine, but I'll go through the process. A truth table, so a truth table would consist of something like scenarios. So you'd have scenario 1, could have a spreadsheet, I suppose. I can either do spreadsheet or the other way around. I don't know whether to do one now. Anyway, I'm going to end the stream, and we'll catch up in a bit. So thanks for watching, and we'll maybe in another hour or two carry on with the rest of it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Ta-ra.